What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got a product here from TZ Audio Products. This is the Stellar X2. So we're going to go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, whoa, this has a nice little case with it. That is pretty impressive here. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box here. Yeah, that is actually the case with the front paper on top. I did not expect that. All right, so here you can see we have the microphone. It comes in a case, which is pretty impressive. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. All right, so here we have this paper. Shows all of the testing that's been done to the product. All right, we've got a little case right here. Wow, this looks pretty good so far. Here's the microphone, the cover, little connector here, and then we have the holder for the mic. Wow, this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. All right, so as you can see here, this is everything in the case. Slide this microphone out here. Wow, that looks good. Looks good. Okay, here's the cover. If you so choose. There's your cover. Okay, so to get this in here, you just hold on to these two right here. Slide them down into place. And you're good to go. Wow. That's nice. Okay, so here, you can see the connector here. We'll have to connect this up to a box in order to get this transferred into a PC. But yeah, the quality looks good. The size looks good. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. All right, so this was the unboxing of this Stellar X2 microphone. This is a great experience, a nice little travel case. This is good. This is good right here. This microphone at this price point, for the way this is coming, I like what I'm seeing so far. Next, we're gonna go ahead and test out the microphone to see if it lives up to the packaging it came in. All right, so we're here to talk about the Stellar X2 microphone. So this is the current setup that I'm using. It's got the microphone set on a stand here with the holder. I've got an XLR cable that's going down here, and we are running this into the Behringer UMC 204 HD. This is the unit that we're using here that is supplying all of the power to the microphone, and then that goes into the computer in which we can record in whichever software we please. So let's go ahead and get a demo of that audio with the microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. It's your boy BT, and we are here on the BT Build Things channel testing out the Stellar X2 condenser microphone from TechZone Audio Products. And so since we don't have any audio, we don't have any vocals, we're not doing any singing to showcase this microphone, we're going to do what we know how to do best, and that's bring it the BT Build Things way. So stay tuned. Let's get to it. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to the sounds of the TZ Stellar X2 condenser microphone. Now, all the audio that you are hearing in this video is coming out of the Stellar X2 microphone. We are going to go ahead and take this thing out on the road so you can hear what the cabin sounds like inside of the Acura NSX coming out of the Stellar X2 microphone.
It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video on the Stellar X2 microphone, and I will catch you guys on the next one.